The WEN 4800-watt inverter generator is designed to deliver clean and quiet power, making it an ideal choice for sensitive electronics and noise-sensitive environments. With a powerful 224cc engine, this generator can produce up to 4,800 surge watts and 4,000 rated watts, ensuring reliable performance for a variety of applications. Its keyless electric start feature simplifies operation, while the backup recoil start ensures you are never left without power. Safety is prioritized with Watchdog's CO Shutdown sensor, which automatically turns off the generator if dangerous levels of carbon monoxide are detected. The fuel shutoff feature helps reduce maintenance needs by allowing the generator to use up remaining fuel before shutting down, extending its lifespan. Enhanced portability is achieved with built-in wheels and a telescoping handle, making it easy to transport this lightweight generator wherever you need power.